if you come at 10 o'clock in the morning, you will have the chance to try it yourself. So here are the rules. You choose where you want to put it, and then you can finish this guy, which is amazing. See, there are places here where there is no paper, so we can finish him. I chose this part because it's really high on the doll, and since I'm a tall person, it will be helpful for them if someone, finishes these things that are really high. Yay! So this is the paper.
これが紙です。で、これを持ってもらって。
So we have to probably cut the shape of this.
はい。で、そこに
貼って
当てます。紙を当てます。
当てます。はい。
こういうふうになぞって、針金のこの形をこういうふうに出します。はい。
Wow. So I would apply it there and then try to get the shape out of it. Here we are. Here I'm getting the shape by pressing the paper. So I think I kind of got this square that I'll now have to cut and try to glue up. And now we're gonna cut the paper like about here. So this is my paper. Let's see if it matches. And now we got the glue. And after that, we're gonna paint it. So now we are adding the glue here. Ta-da! So everything has glue, and now the paper. So here it is, my piece of paper. Looks great. I didn't put too much effort because they're gonna take it down. Yeah, it's not gonna stay here. Other people will come and try this experience. So sadly, and at the end, so at first the entire doll figure will be white, and when it's filled, when all the holes are filled, then they start painting it. So it was too much of me to expect that we're gonna finish it today. But yeah, see all these little holes that have to be filled. So in that sense, it should be really fun and not so difficult, I would say. Yay! And imagine at the end when you get to paint this thing over. So cool. So, been there, done that. See, these are like the ones that we saw at the station, so probably they will be put up by the station soon. And yeah, basically the difficult point is probably to develop the 3D shape of this entire thing. So adding the paper is a piece of cake compared with calculating the 3D shape and obtain, such a perfect proportions, and yeah. But of course the tradition is without using computers, so they are not gonna make this inside a computer and then find out how to produce it. Some specialists will really start with a flat irons and then consider the shape and make the shape. So, not computer made, for once in Japan. So nice how you can enjoy the tradition here and learn something. Then see, the lamps are LED type of lamps, and so when it's a wider area, it's a round one. Then here it's a sharper type of lamp. Here is a base skeleton of such a figure. See, both wood and this wire, and then the lights are fixed too. So on top of this, just adding the white paper and painting it, and then you're done. Look at this, you can even try the hat, the Nebuta Casa hat that the lady was wearing. They have here a stand for your photos. Awesome. Yay, so now we're gonna see how you actually do this. This actually is not like this. So don't put your weight on the bar. You grab it and then hold it and pull it through the entire city of Aomori. It's such a hard job, but it's a pride to have this behind you. These gods and amazing figures. So yeah, you can experience this here. So you see even the teeth and such small elements are 3D in perfect shape, perfect. So each float has their own musicians, the people pushing underneath, and then their own group of dancers in stunning costumes. And then the people carrying the name, the lights, and then the beauty queens. Wow, cool.